Hi, my name is Devin Metcalf, and I'm a personal trainer and naturopath. And I'm here to share with you today a great testimony that I have regarding this amazing product called Laminine. Now, Laminine is a stem cell precursor. Basically, what it does, it wakes up the stem cells in your body and send them to go search for what is damaged or for aging cells and repair and renew the body. Now, in 2000, I was running track and I tore my groin muscle, and the muscle was healed. Sometime after that, after becoming a trainer for many years, I basically was lifting up some weights for one of my clients, and I felt something popped in my lower back, and I just could not get rid of that pain no matter what I tried. Also, I was in a rush and I yanked my bag out of the passenger seat in a rush to get to work, and I felt my shoulder popped. I just felt a sharp pain in there, and it was nagging. I could not raise my hand over my head. I could not lift more than 5 pounds each time. And so I tried different painkillers, MSM, different things to try heal it, but none of them really worked. Now, a friend of mine told me about this product, Laminine, and I said, you know what, let me try it. It won't hurt. And so after taking the Laminine, the first thing I realized is was like someone was driving nails in my right shoulder. For 3 days, literally, I felt like nails were going in my shoulder. I was like, whoa, this thing is doing something. Then after 3 days, it stopped. The pain went away, and I realized I had my range of motion back. Now I can lift about 150 pounds on my shoulders. So my shoulders are very strong now. Also my lower back. Within that time period, I was helping someone, and I was like, why am I feeling my back? I didn't do anything to my back. It was like I'm feeling a little sticking pain in my lower back, and I was like, why? And then I was like, could it be the Laminine that I'm taking? And like my shoulder, this sticking pain went away, and then my back, was totally fine. No more pain, had the range of motion, reach and touch me to everything. Also my groin, it was healed, but I felt a little sticking pain in there. And my friend, who was a pharmacist, I said to him, could it be that it wasn't healed? And he said, yes, it could be that the injury wasn't fully healed. And so while you take the Laminine, the stem cells is now cleaning out the cobwebs and healing it properly. And that also went away. So my groin, perfectly fine, my back, my shoulder. I've gotten amazing result from this product, Laminine. Actually, I've helped thousands of people with this product. It really, really works. It makes you feel younger, it makes you feel healthier, it makes you feel more vibrant. I truly recommend that you get this product. You can check my link below and you can find it very affordable. But if you're struggling with pain, if you have any form of injuries and want to experience recovery, if you are getting older and not feeling as vibrant, Laminine is the thing that you need to get. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.